Hello, it's me, Trent, and it's me, his friend Max, and we are here in the broadcast booth tonight for a playoff game between the Bimpf Ice Dogs versus the TeenyMate City Phantoms. Yeah, this is going to be interesting and a fair amount of booing as we are here in TeenyMate City. Let's go over. Boo! You suck! No one loves you! You suck! Who ever wanted you to exist? Boo! Yeah, it's pretty harsh. And look at all the wonderful fans the Phantoms have in attendance. Boo! The Ice Dogs suck! Yeah, this is a rivalry night, so that's why you're seeing so much yelling unnecessary. And starting here in the net for the Ice Dogs, it's going to be Peter Jones. You suck, Peter! And starting here, Sam Ward. Mark Jones and Gunther have got the face-off. Whaler and Hurricane over here, and Nordique and Golden Knight over here. This is going to be fun. Playoff game won by the Ice Dogs. And we are looking as the pass will go over to Gunther, over to Nordique, to Golden Knight, trying to get the deception. They're really going to the zone. Whaler trying to block. And over to Hurricane, up for Mark. You suck, little bro! Boo! Boo! Injure yourself! No one will care! Yeah! Nice save, Sam Ward! Yeah! Oh, and a sweet block from Whaler. Oh, it's a 3-on-0, and they still can't get through. Hurricane, Whaler, blocked by Golden Knight. Hurricane, and they still miss it. Boo! Nordique. Row! Row! Gunther, he scores! Boo! You suck! Who wanted you alive? Boo! We will start throwing people on the ice soon. Yikes. Yeah, it's not easy. Oh, very, very rough for the Ice Dogs so far. And hopefully our Phantoms can make a nice comeback. Hurricane, up for Whaler. Up for Jones. On the Hurricane. Up for Jones. That basically goes off his stick. It's a 3-on-1. It's a 2-on-1. And no, never mind. It's a 3-on-1 now. But everybody's starting to get back into place. Gunther trying to get another one. Great. And Hurricane. Over to Jones. Over to Jones. Nordique is the only one there. And saved by Peter Jones. Little bro, you just can't be as good at hockey as I am. Boo! You suck, Peter Jones! Boo! This is basically like your average Astros-Yankees game at this point. Yeah, no kidding. And Nordique trying to score. Saved by Sam Ward. Over to Mark. Mark. Hurricane. Yeah! There we go. 1-1. Hurricane getting another great goal. Take a look at all the wonderful fan reactions. Yeah! Let's go, Phantom! Let's go, Phantoms! Let's go, Phantoms! Alright, the puck will drop. Jones. Oh, Gunther will trip. Up for Hurricane again. Off to Jones sick. Up for Whaler. Whaler for Hurricane. And a great save from Peter Jones. Boo! Whew. Yeah, this is not going to be a fun game. Here, take it, take it, take it. Go, come on. Up for Hurricane. Go, go. Saved by Jones, and he will cover that up, and we will have a face-off in their zone. That was basically just a given advantage. Jones over to Nordique. Golden Knight. Jones is the only one to go back. Mark Jones, anyway. Oh, great block from Jones. Great save by Ward. That pass was at the line, so they're going to call it offside. And I think we're going to overtime. Yeah, we are. The nerves will always kick in, won't they? Whaler. Gunther trying to go back and barely saved and tripped over Gunther over there. Over to Nordique. This could be their last chance of trying to get a good goal in. Save. Gunther. The rebound. It's blocked by Mark Jones and over to Hurricane. Only one defenseman is there. That is still considered a save. He puts it up for Golden Knight. Gunther trying to go back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, you just gave him it, man. 2, 1. Ooh. There we go. We're going to overtime. As the buzzer will sound, and now we're in overtime. So let's do a little intermission. What's up? Yeah. It's been a very good game. We're going to overtime at 1 apiece. Yeah, that Hurricane move was awesome. And that other goal was pretty good too. But the fans sure don't like it when the other team scores. Oh, yeah. That's a rivalry for you. Yeah. It's been created for a while ago. Got created a while ago. That the Bimpf Ice Dogs and the TeenyMate City Phantoms are rivals. The rivalry got created a long time ago in the playoffs. Oh, yeah. I really like seeing it. Yeah. All right. And we're going again. Let's go, Phantoms! Hurricane was the only reason they got into overtime in the first place. So he's definitely the one to watch out for right now. And Mark Jones will win the puck drop. Over to Hurricane. To Whaler. Mark wants to get past his brother. I wonder what's going to happen. Hurricane. On the pass from Whaler. Jones. Save, and a glove save at that. Oh. Jones. Face off. A win. Whaler. Oh, and that puck. He didn't cover it. That will go, though, but Hurricane will still pick it up and put it over for Jones. Mark Jones moving up. Whaler off the post. Barely. Oh, no. Mark Jones. Down for Hurricane. Oh! 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 He saved that with the glove, but it went off the glove just before they decided to call it. Yeah, and there's the hit. You love to see it. Peter Jones starting to lose track of these players. They're just playing so well. Oh, that goes off the post. Golden Knight on a breakaway. Another great one from Hurricane. Hurricane's owning Golden Knight right now. Puts it up for Whaler and a save. For Jones. Back to Whaler. That was almost picked up by Nordique. Back to Mark Jones. He scores. Game winner. For those of you that didn't see the goal, Whaler passed over to Jones and decided that he could finally one-timer it. That was such an awesome game. Yeah, let's go! Let's go, Phantoms! And as for that, the TeenyMate City Phantoms are into round 2 with that win. Yeah, good stuff. You'll have to see it. We were happy to provide you with the hockey action today. And we hope to see you again soon. Here. See you soon. What a happy moment for this team.